nigga.
Yep. I don't really trust humans that much these days. Shit, the fact of the matter is, I trust dogs more than I trust humans. Shit, nothing like that dog love, I'll tell you. Not just any dog. It's gotta be a pit bull. Yep, that's the only dog for me. You don't want to get caught in the pit with one of them, boy. They make good companions, but even worse enemies. It's all on how you take it.
You know how we do, baby. Alright? Grand champ. You know how we do. Scratch all day. Match all weight. Fuck, nigga. Can't be fucking serious.